Hey, what's up, guys? Dustin Bell, Kings of Clay. So this morning, a couple things have changed. Chances of rain are jumping all over the place. 1 minute it's 80%, next minute it's 40. 1 minute it's 50%, next minute it's 30. So this week we are not going to be able to risk the 4-hour drive to Old Number 1. We hate that we can't make that up there. We're sure Paul Tribble's going to have a really nice track, going to have a good race, so y'all go support him. If you're going to the stands or going up at a race, either way, it's a blast. So, that being said, one of our more local tracks, it's about 45 minutes away, is Crawford County Speedway. And I'm going to be bringing a knife to a gunfight, and so is Mark, but me more so. We're going to have to run with their Grand Nationals. Grand Nationals allowed to run a 4-barrel, Burt transmission. They're pretty fast cars. I'm on a 2-barrel, Saginaw 3-speed. Mark Martin, he did borrow a 4-barrel from Eddie Hoyer to run. So, if nothing else, it's laps on the car to get ready for Batesville next week. So, it ought to be a lot of fun. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the trucks all fueled up, about to pull out of Casey's. We're waiting on Randy Aiken to get here, and then I think we're going to try to meet up with Brent on the interstate. He's actually going to run street. Well, we're all running Grand National tonight, not street stock, but Brent's got one of Tommy's street stock motors in there. Randy has his street stock motor in Mom's car, so it ought to be fun. So hang with us. Alrighty, so we made it to Crawford County Speedway. Gotta get everything unloaded. We got Mark's car, mine. Randy and them ain't pulled in yet. We got Adam Kane here, and then Randy and Brent will pull over here. So we're gonna get unloaded, and we'll see you in a few.
Crawford County Speedway. Anyway, we'll try to do some video. We're kind of here by ourselves tonight, so we'll do the best we can. But if you would, we'd like to see you like our channel, subscribe to our channel, make some comments, and share it with all your friends. And we'll see you later.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not, I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness. Now look at my life, man, it's looking amazing. I'm ready for anything, anyone. I've been so ready for everything I become. When I was stuck, I had no other option. Believed in myself when the shit wasn't popping. I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap? Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning, I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need a million ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bringing the bass. Hey, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me, kill it. They be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Hey, I feel it coming. I settle for nothing. I know what I need, and it's more than the money. It's more than a woman. Not easy to reach, but I know that I gotta be pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing, I got a wing now. Catch air.
Where's the wing? I seen him.
Yeah, I got somebody working. It happens.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, let's go. I don't care what they all say. That's right, I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay, we work hard, then we all play. Yeah, I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right, so I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah, one day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track, in addiction to the fact that we're winning. Still we lack, something's missing, need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. If you ask, that's the mission. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating. Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
What's up, guys? So last night was a ball, but it didn't quite go as planned. We brought some knives to a gunfight. We did get a couple stabs in on it, but we wound up limping away. But every time you strap in one of these cars, there's a chance that that's going to happen. Got a lot of work to do before next weekend, but it's part of it. Old cars was fast.
Yeah, they're fast.
I was pretty tickled going up there on a 2-barrel factory hobby motor. Again, you know, on leaf spring suspension, stock front end, hydraulic cam, and being able to run with them guys on a 4-barrel solid lift. Ain't no telling how many cubic inch. You know, tricked out suspension. That's a fun track to drive on.
Yep. I like the track. It's fast. Both our cars did great. Just had a few little incidents that caused a little bit of chaos. So y'all know what happened.
I'm not gonna mention any names, but somebody
Oops.
Somebody kind of tore my car up a little bit. But hey, that's part of it. Well, that's it is. It's my fault for showing up at the racetrack. But we have a lot of fun with it.
Yeah, that was some of the hats off to Crawford County Speedway. Got to say that. So shout out to them. The track was really good, smooth. The prep was excellent. So we had a great time. Had a lot of fun. Like Dustin said, they didn't have a class that fit our cars, so we had to run a class up. And to be quite honest with you, I think they did pretty good. Both of us, we've said before, he's used to a Monty and I'm used to a Camaro. We've swapped places. Now I'm in a Monty and he's in a Camaro, so I'm still getting used to driving it. And but the car's going to be good. I think both of them are. They were both pretty fast, pretty competitive. And just got to get a little more seat time. Learn the car a little better.
Yeah, as far as coming out of the corner, man, I was so impressed with this car. You know, like you said, you're getting used to a Monty, I'm getting used to Camaro, but I was really surprised with how low I could run and it would stick. And then coming out of the corner, man, it was like a rocket. On the big end, I didn't have nothing for them 4-barrels, but coming out, they knew I was there.
Yeah, I'm real pleased. I think we'll have something for everybody. I know it looks bad, but really both cars, it's more cosmetic than anything. So there's no really major.
Yeah, and
major damage to anything.
No, I got to give a shout out to Randy Aiken, my stepdad. He's like the sheet metal master after it gets beat up. He's OCD, real meticulous, and you won't even, whenever this thing hits Batesville next week, you won't even be able to tell that it was ever in a wreck. He's extremely good at that.
It was good. I'll say this, the boys at Crawford County ain't no joke. So if you have to go there, you better be on your A game because they race to win.
Yeah, one thing ain't nobody can say. We ain't scared to go run with the big dogs.
That's right.
So,
That's right.
guys, if y'all don't mind, if y'all hadn't already, reach down there and click the subscribe button, hit that bell, and change the notifications to all. That way y'all get to see all the stuff we're going to be putting out. Next week will be my last race for a couple weeks. Last time y'all see a video from me, but Mark will be putting stuff out. I've got to go off and work. I wish I could race for a living, but I just ain't quite there yet. Give us a like and some comments. If y'all was there last night, I know we had I talked to a couple guys who keep up with the YouTube page, and it's really good to see them and talk to them. And looking forward to doing it again.
We'll see y'all.